Hello everyone, welcome to Variable Separation Exercise 15.2 and I'll be covering the book's Basic Mathematics by Sukunda publication. So it looks like this, Basic Mathematics, and I'm sorry for the ripped out part but it has been used so many times. And this is the general cover written by Professor Dr. Bhanu Chandra Bajracharya. And now I'll be heading on to exercise 15.2 and I'll be doing 4 to 5 questions today. So let's start with the first one. Dy by dx is equals to x by y. So in the board exam, generally just the differential equation is given and you will have to find out which method you will have to use in order to solve this differential equation. Now variable separation is one of the easiest method because all you have to do is separate a function of x and a function of y. So if you want a clearer explanation, I like to call it separating the x family and separating the y family such that you have the function of x equals the function of y like this, and where the head of the family is dx and the head of the family is dy. And here, since dx and dy are the head of the family, that means they must stay at the top, which means they must stay at the numerator. So that means we want dx and dy separated as well as on the numerator. So here what we can do is, well, we can put y dy together and we can put x dx together. Now here y and x, it is not necessary to always put it at the bottom. It can also be at the numerator alongside with dx. So now once you have separated the y and x, what you can simply do is integrate both sides. Now, integration of x dx, that is just x to the power of 1, add power 1 to it, which becomes 2. So this becomes x squared by 1 plus 1, which is x squared by 2. And similarly, this is also y squared by 2 is equals to x squared by 2. And we need a constant. We can put plus c simply, but we want a nicer answer. So what we can do is, well, we can put c by 2 right here, such that we have 2 on the denominator all over. That means these all cancel out. Therefore, we get y squared equals to x squared plus c, which is our required answer. You can put y squared over there, c over there, but you can leave it at this as well. Now let's do the second question. Which is x dx plus y dy equals to 0. This is similar to the first one, where simply you can separate it by moving the y family to the right hand side and integrating both sides, and now you get x squared by 2 is equals to minus y squared by 2 plus, well, we can choose a constant again, let's do c by 2, so that these all cancel out, giving us x squared equals to minus y squared plus c. And here we can make it even nicer by putting x squared plus y squared equals to c. That is our required answer. Now let's move on to the third question. Okay, so now here we can again simply put y squared plus 1 alongside with dy and also x squared plus 1 alongside with dx. And now what we can do is integrate both sides. And now integration of y squared, well, we just add 1 to the power, which is cube, or 3, sorry, and divided by that, plus here 1 dy, the integration of dy is simply y, equals to, it will be the same here, x cubed by 3 plus x, and you can simply choose the constant as c. And if you want, you can leave it at this. You know what, in fact I will leave it at this because you don't want to simplify further, it will be kind of crazy. So now let's move on to the fourth question. Now here, first step, always separate the dy and dx first, such that the head of the family is the first. Now what you want to do is put the x family together. So here that means we want x squared over here, and similarly we want y squared over here. So let's just do that. So we put the y squared below and we put the x squared below. We want to do this such that dx and dy remain at the numerator. And now we integrate both sides. Here this can be written as x to the power minus 2, and its integration will be plus 1 by the power plus 1. So overall we get minus 1 by y equals to minus 1 by x, because x to the power minus 1, this becomes negative, which is minus 1 by x. And we can choose our constant. Let's just put c. Therefore 1 by x minus 1 by y equals to c, and that is our required answer. Now I'll be doing these 4 questions for today, and I'll be continuing it in the later videos. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe. Thank you.